Well, what you got for me today, buddy? A Roomba. What's this box? What are these? Some drive wheels. Oh, that's right. Yep, you probably guessed it already. We're going to be replacing the wheels on the irobot Roomba 694. As you can see, right wheel is not working as it should. Not sure what's wrong with it. Something's wrong with it. Just realized I forgot to get my screwdriver. Or screwdrivers. Some screwdrivers. I'm gonna get the light on. Is that better? That's better. I'm gonna put this guy back over here. That's Nemo. He likes hard surfaces. But yeah, the right wheel doesn't. You can see how sluggish that wheel is compared to this one. So I could technically replace only this one, only the right side, but you can see how they're kind of worn. And so, yeah, it would just make more sense to replace both at the same time. So, first, step one, to replace the wheels, you take off your dustbin. Not sure why you changed your eyes back to blue. Then, you take a screwdriver, move the side brush. Now use one hand to hold the side brush in place. As you unscrew, move the side brush. Now remove these base plate wheels. This is not my first time in this robot, as I've had to replace this side brush motor before. So I know a lot about Roomba's 600s and 500 series. So I know what I'm doing, if that's what you're really wondering. That's what he's doing. So these screws, by the way, don't actually come out of the housing. Just so you know, the screws don't come out of the housing. I mean, they can, but they're not really supposed to. But again, this is the 694. You can see I can lift this up now. Now, you don't have to do this part, but I like to remove the battery. Hold on. Okay, I had to use two hands to get that out, but here's the battery. Typical 694 battery. So now we have access here. This is where I'm going to use my small screwdriver. The other one would theoretically fit, but these screws are a little bit smaller. So here's the wheel modules. This is the right side. And this in the box still is the left side. See, I can take. These are genuine irobot, I think. Right? I am not actually sure. No. The way those sound, they don't roll. That's kind of funny. They don't roll like the. You see, I can't really turn the wheel, whereas I can in here. See, this is what it's supposed to sound like. This is. Sounds funny. Even compared to the S9's wheel. Sounds kind of funny. So, definitely off-brand wheels that my mom bought. Hopefully it will still work. So you gotta, let me just get these wheels out real quick. Ugh. There we go. Faulty wheel. Now we get this out of the package. There we go. You can see old versus new. Old, new. You see how like mine are slightly worn. Yeah, definitely not genuine, but it should work. Now let me put this back in, or put the new wheel back. Yeah, put the new wheel in. Can't get that screw out, but I think it's in there far enough where I can put that in there. Just gotta get these other two screws out. It's kind of weird how they shipped the wheel with the screws in. Also like how these Roomba parts are plug and play. It's kind of cool. Anyway, and that's the new right side wheel in. Now I just gotta do the left. There's a bunch of random junk in my wheels. Anyway, here's the old wheel. Let's see how it doesn't really roll as well as this one does. So, yeah. Now I gotta do that process with this side. So, well, I gotta yank this one out. Okay, now I gotta put this one in. Turns out you don't actually have to unscrew the screws, they're already loose. Minus that one. And that's the new wheels installed. Here's the old right wheel, the one that was causing me problems. This is a waste of a perfectly good left wheel. Actually, I might sell the left wheel, like clean this junk out of it, and then maybe sell used left wheel on my eBay. You can check eBay. If I do end up doing that, I'll put the link to my eBay on in the description. But I'll put the link to my eBay in the description. I don't think I'm actually gonna sell this wheel, even though this is a perfectly good wheel. It's just, yeah. I mean, the robot's already a year old, so it just wouldn't really make very much sense. You definitely can tell that these are not genuine, but yeah, I mean, you know, cheaper is the way to go these days. I mean, genuine irobot wheels are kind of expensive, for wheels at least. Like, for example, that's not a genuine side brush motor. An off-brand one. You know what? I'm an idiot. I forgot to put the dang battery in. Don't be like me, guys. I mean, follow the wheel instructions, but don't follow the part of me. Let me hear. I'll let. Where's the speaker? The speaker's on this side. I'll let you guys hear that nice startup sound when you put the battery in. That's how you know you put the battery in correctly. Or that's how you put the battery in correctly. I'll just tighten these screws real quick. Now the screws are in, I just have to put the side brush back in. Ready? Bop. Okay. Now I just have to put this back in. And that's the new wheels installed. Is it just me, or is it like kind of sits above the floor a little? But hey, I got a functioning room. But the only thing is, it doesn't like to roll very well. But alright, that's the wheels replaced, and was thinking about it. And I don't think I'm gonna sell that left wheel. I think I'm actually gonna throw it away with the others, but because who wants a year old wheel Am I right? But that's the replacement of the wheels on an irobot Roomba 694. Hope that you guys found that useful. Oh, wheel screw. Any more? No. Yeah. I'll throw this away. Now my Roomba. Kind of sits over the floor a little bit, but I mean that's the price of aftermarket. You'll see it kind of sits above the floor a little bit, just a little. But hope you guys liked that video. If you like these repair videos, I actually just recently tore that completely apart and rebuilt it because I had to take the brush out. You have to take the entire case off. But well, that's that. Roomba 694 has some new wheels. And with that, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Thought I'd catch that. Hi, Stein.